Hey guys, this is Alex and Tech over at the Gtech booth showing the InnoPix5. The InnoPix5 is 5.9 millimeters. It's indoor and outdoor. It can concave, as you see it here, and you also can convex it 45 degrees. It's a 500 millimeter by 500 millimeter tile. It's a Nation Star LED. It has a macro block IC driver. You could do memory on modules, so it can store the calibration information. All the modules are also serialized if you ever need to keep track of your coefficients. I'm going to show you a little bit about the back of the tile. I'm going to open up the tile for you. It's real simple. You got some latches. You open it up. We see the receiving card right here. Also the power supply. Very easy to maintain. If you ever need to remove these or adjust them. This is the LCD here in the back, so you can see the readout, which would show your temperature, humidity, your hours. It's all Nutric. We have True 1. We also have EtherCon right here, which are also waterproof. I'm going to close this up so I can show you how these lock. So there's two levels of locking mechanisms here. You don't necessarily have to hold it into one of these angles, as you can see. You have a primary lock, but let's say if you want to go in between a lock, you can have a secondary locking position where you can get your angle that you so desire. We have 6 points of rigging in the rear of the tile. If you want to push back with the, we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The distance between the top and the middle section is 10 inches on center, which allows you to do 12-inch box as a fascia. So you can take the LED wall, take 12-inch box, and line it right across it without any problems. It's definitely a unique product. You know, you can also concave it, and if you have 12-inch box circle, these M10 positions will be able, you could do a half cheese barrel right on it and attach right to the truss. We have also some more unique rigging positions. We have more additional M10 positions here on the side, 1 and 2. And that also allows you to put a half cheese barrel on the tile to allow it to hang in this direction and, of course, on the opposite side here. We've developed a unique technology for tile. It's a corner protection or a crash bar. It's pretty easy to deploy, and of course it does save the tile from the corner damage pixel. It's a toolless locking mechanisms. So when you assemble these, it's really simple to assemble it. You take it from the rear of the handles right here. These right here will temporarily hold it into place. You then let go of the handles and you simply lock your primary locks. There's a couple methods to rigging the bar traditionally. I don't have the rigging brick here to show you, but you could take a rigging brick, which is a small little unit that this locks into, and you have an option of putting a half cheese barrel on it, a eye bolt on it, or also an integrated turnbuckle system with a unique mechanism that swivels, and cheese barrels will slide back and forth, so you can go and attach directly to 12-inch box without any problems. So you no longer have to do span set to shackle to turnbuckle to shackle to eye bolt to rigging bumper. You can go with one integrated system. You can go from the rigging brick right to a turnbuckle that's integrated into the actual mechanism that you lock into, to a unit that will spread to adjust for the lattice and the truss without having to add all those extra parts. Of course, you can go traditional, you can go to the rigging brick, go to a half cheese barrel, go schedule 40, do swivels, and attach to whatever you want. You know, that's just some of the features that we have here with the InnoPix5 here today. I'm glad you guys stopped by. If you want to find more information about the product, please visit us online at gtechusa.com or gtechhk. Thank you very much.